What's up, YouTube? Anthony from Meineke, cinnaminson. We had a little fender bender here at the shop. My father, who's an old man, hit another car and crushed a headlight and broke the radiator support on a 2012. Is it 2012? I don't know. I think it's a 2012. It might be newer. Let me find out what we're working on here. We're just fixing it. I'm sorry. This is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. So the whole entire radiator support is plastic. So the purpose of this video is you don't have to drain any coolant. You don't have to disconnect any AC lines. Once you get the bumper cover off, the headlight assemblies, the upper radiator support, you see our little wire contraption. We just slung the radiator support and the AC condenser from a wire, so you can just simply unbolt the old damaged rad support, which is all plastic, and then slip it into place, and then just set down the radiator and AC condenser as one unit without spilling any fluid or antifreeze. So if you guys are in the crash business or do it yourself at home, try Bob's little trick here. It worked out perfect. He's only been working on it for like a half hour now. Pretty simple to do. Thanks for watching.